Every year, photographers come from across the country to visit Great Sand Dunes National Park and Preserve, home of the tallest sand dunes in North America. By day, the dunes offer views of a unique southwestern landscape. And by night, the dunes are an astrophotographer's paradise. Great Sand Dunes National Park and Preserve is now designated as an international dark sky park. If you're planning a night photography trip to the park, it's important to be prepared. Here are a few tips for planning your first trip. You'll need to make sure you bring the right gear. Photographers will need a sturdy tripod, as well as cameras and lenses with low light capabilities. And don't forget your headlamp. Wear layered clothing. At certain times of the year, the park's climate can be harsh. Bring clothing for both hot and cold weather, and be prepared to get sand in your shoes. Before your trip, check the weather forecast. Pick nights where the skies are forecasted to be clear. Consider going at a time when there is a new moon. This will allow maximum visibility of the stars. You can use apps like PhotoPills or Google Earth to plan your shoot and anticipate where the Milky Way will appear. When you arrive at Great Sand Dunes National Park, it will be helpful to explore the dunes during the day, scouting for locations you might return to at night. When setting up the shot, make sure to use your camera's manual focus to ensure a sharp image. Astrophotography works best with a wide aperture and long shutter speed. Consider experimenting with different settings until you're happy with the result. If you're looking to get creative, try using artificial lights as foreground elements to create unique compositions. A starlit night at Great Sand Dunes can bring opportunities for wonder, perspective, and a more intimate connection with the natural world.